Thursday, November 20th, here at Sunflower on Bridge Creek. Things are defrosting a bit. Looking downstream now and heading up. Still pretty frozen down through here. It's a little more clear and defrosting upstream. I don't know, I guess up there you might say 50% water. Edges, river left and river right, are still frozen. So I just walked downstream to right in there and was beating on the ice with a stick. And the ice is about, I can still see bubbles about 3.5 to 4 inches down. So it's still really thick in some places. But there is some thaw in other places. Hello everybody, I'm at the top of Burrow Pit 3 looking upstream. Partially iced. As you can see, looking downstream, kind of interesting how the water flow is below the elevation of the ice. You see the ice is just kind of hanging in some places. Kind of cool looking. So, gee, I wonder how thick it is. Well, let's look right here. Obviously, there's nothing there. And then here, break it up. Over here, I don't think so. Oh yeah, it's gonna break. So the question is it good enough to survey? The answer is not yet. Obviously along the left edge of water, you can't really see it. Right edge of water here, can't see it. So I'm about in the middle of Burrow Pit 3 up on the bank on River Right. Looking upstream at this time, panning downward. Looks really thick down there. There's snow on top of the ice in the areas that are shaded most of the day. And looking down at the bottom of Burrow Pit 3 and the top of the next reach. So now looking up to Burrow Pit 3 and looking down to Burrow Pit B. See if I can get this. Anyway, here we are. Lots of ice. I'm in the middle of Burrow Pit D looking upstream. It's pretty cool looking in here, I'll give it that. But we're not going to survey it anytime soon. I mean, it's up to 6 inches thick. The ice actually right there. Let's see if we can see that. Let's see. Right, here's my finger. Right in there, it's like 8 inches thick. Kind of cool. Anyway. Now looking down from the middle of Burrow Pit B, that's what we see. Alright, little context here at Burrow Pit. Looking upstream, pretty mountains today. Look at that view. Pretty nice. And then the road down here. Even the roads are still icy. You'd think the roads would thaw out first. They're not plowing up. Well, they are actually a tiny bit, but obviously this road's still covered with snow. This is Gable Creek and there is no ice, so we're going to go ahead and survey it this afternoon.